Hi everyone, it's Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Thank you again for joining me here on my channel. If you missed my last video, I am using the exact same color palette, but in a different technique. I did an Australian swipe technique that you definitely need to check out. Here is a picture of that final result. I will have this video linked at the very end. I'm really excited how this piece turned out. I am loving using buff titanium instead of white, and I love this earthy color palette. So this is Deco Art's Extreme Sheen Peridot. Probably one of my favorite colors at the moment, but it's very hard to get here where I am, so I don't use it as often as I would like to. And this is Deco Art's Splendid Gold. And then I'm adding in some Liquitex Burnt Umber from the base color of the other canvas, and I'm doing the same thing here using the Pebio's Buff Titanium on the Burnt Umber base canvas. This is Shuttle Art's Color Shift in Black, and it shifts to a really pretty gold color. I got this on Amazon, Amazon Canada. If you just look up Shuttle Art Color Shift, you should be able to find there's a package of quite a few different colors. And this is Deco Art's Copper, another one of my favorites. This one, however, is much easier to get here where I am. And I love the shimmer in this. It dries fairly matte, but once you varnish it or add in a coat of resin, it just sparkles like crazy. Okay, so I am going to turn up the music for this piece, let you enjoy this. Don't forget to watch for the visual ASMR that I have added in. Love, love, love! And I will see you at the end for the close-up. I do have dried results, so make sure you stick around. here we are with the wet results. I'm so happy with how this piece turned out. I love the buff titanium on that burnt umber base. It just gives it some beautiful contrast. And the cells that were created with the peridot and the copper are just so beautiful. I'm very, very happy with how this piece turned out. And as well, I got some great skins that I'm going to be creating some things with. And this is the buff titanium base piece, and I love the dark contrasting lines as well as the cells that popped up. So very, very happy with this piece, loving this color palette. I do have a little bit of, I think I have each of the colors left, I'm not 100% sure, but I know I have a little bit of this color left, so this palette left, so I will be doing a little bit of other things. So here is the piece dried. There's no varnish on this yet, but like I said, you'll be able to tell that both the peridot and the copper dry a little bit matte, but once it's varnished, it will sparkle and shimmer so beautifully, especially when it's in the sun. And the varnish that I use has a UV protectant in it, which is perfect. So if you have watched to the end, thank you so very much. I would love if you would leave me some purple hearts down below to let me know that you watched to the end. Thanks everyone, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!